What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Now, this structure has actually been in the game for two, 3 years. I don't know. But in today's video, I will show you on how this sawmill works. All right. So first of all, okay, you guys are going to need heavy foresty and sawmill. First thing you need to get is foresty. Alright, then you can go over to chocolate milk, and then heavy foresty, and then finally sawmill. And as it says, I can't zoom in, but it says cut birch and compressed logs into planks. Cuts, my bad. Alright, so that's what it is. Okay, and let's not mind that one real fast. Alright. Okay, but you need these two vehicles to even work the sawmill. Alright, so let me show you how this one works, and then the log hauler. Okay guys, and then this is how the tree cutter, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, works. Yeah, so just literally press cut or E or shoe, I don't know. Alright, it depends on what you have. I have a phone, keyboard and mouse, and controller, which I really just have a phone and PlayStation. Yep, so that's how this one works. The tree cutter. And now here's how the log hauling trailer or tractor works. Yep, just grab those logs, put them in here. Yep, and just keep on doing that. Now, this is kind of weird. Yeah, just straight up goes into your inventory. Yeah, I feel like Done Game should kind of fix that on where, I don't know, it gets really crazy looking. Yep, so I have 113 planks. Yep. Yeah, so, I don't think it's working, but alright, so what happens, alright, it just shaves it clean, puts it on here, and then this claw thing from Iron Man, I don't know, picks it up, puts it on there, and then this just goes right here, and then is lift up to here, and then kind of smacks down, but right now it's frozen. Yeah, yep, so that really sucks. And then we grab our, anything that has, a back trailer on it. Yep. Okay. Yeah, that thing that I just hooked up. Alright, now, okay. Now what you guys want to do, alright, is just bring it, straight up, kind of clean, up to right there, and then withdraw. Mine's going to be 100% 6, because, okay. Okay. Now we have that much. I'll see you guys at the wood and stuff. Alright, so I was really lucky, and burst planks are actually on green, so I'm gonna get, I don't know, 1,500,000? 1 million, okay, close enough. Yep, so now I have 1,500,000 actually, and it just says I have 180, okay. Yep, well, always make sure to check the log sell value, because, I'm not going to waste my time going in here, alright? My strat to doing that is just literally this, watch. Bing, honk, rest my legs, pow. Yeah, and I watch bunny films, meanwhile. Yep, so, yeah, that's how that works. And I guess I'll see you all next video. Where am I going? Yeah, well, I guess.